You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I knew it.
I didn't get your ass in Ruthless, but I'm getting your ass
Yeah, I couldn't get in there last time. I ain't clean, man.
Over there. Well, hey,
Right here.
careful, there's glass on the floor, okay?
Okay, sit on it.
Yeah, sit on that.
That's crazy, man. See, y'all, yeah, boy.
I couldn't hear this thing nasty, man.
Feel like electricity. Yeah, that was it right there.
Feel like giving out another one?
I didn't get that in Ruthless though. I don't know what. That's the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Woo.
I just had both doors open. Remember my heater core blew.
That's right. That's right.
He got me too.
Yeah, he got you.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.